Welcome. Thank you guys for joining us today. This is Trade Pro Labs, and I am the founder and CEO of Trade Pro Labs. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow us, do all of the amazing things we love. Obviously, we bring all of the top tier projects in one space to speak to every project and do an interview with them. I'll give you guys a brief introduction about what Trade Pro Labs is, and then I'll explain to you today's interview with. Obviously, it's today's interview is with Starzz, but let me start off by introducing myself. So, Trade Pro Labs is a community-driven VC with international crypto investment and a liquidity fund. Our main value is to optimize projects in which we can add value in different mediums, dependent on the needs to ascertain hyperbolic growth. The quote is, whatever your mind can conceive and your mind can believe, the mind can achieve. So today we have project called Starzz. I'll give you all a brief introduction to Starzz. So Starzz is a project aims to revolutionize the sports and entertainment industry by bridging the gap between fans and their champions. The main goal is solving important problems in the fan interaction and giving stars the opportunity to discover their most valuable fans, upscale their monetization, and maximize the lifetime of the value of every fan. So thank you for that. I'm going to introduce you to Marco, who is part of the team. Marco, we'd like to hear from you exactly what you are and what you do for Stars, and tell us a bit more about your project. Take it away.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, my name is Marco Kowalewski, and I'm the CEO and founder of Starzz. And yeah, some time ago, I wanted to go to the football stadium with my child. And at home, we had made a nice big poster asking to receive the jersey of my child's favorite player. Yeah, to visit this game, unfortunately, I had to buy extremely overpriced tickets on eBay. And when I was standing at the entrance control with my child, it turned out to be fake tickets. Yeah, and as my child was close to tears, I bought another overpriced ticket outside the stadium. And when the game was over, the player passed directly without noticing us. And yeah, my child was expecting to get the jersey, but yeah, at the end, we went out of the stadium without nothing. And last but not least, as well, I lost our paper tickets, which she wanted to keep with her. So overall, it was yeah, after investing a lot of money in merchandise from the club, a very very sad day for both of us. And since that day, my child never visited a stadium again. And as well, the interest in my child's star declined massively since then. After this experience, it was clear to me that I did not wish such a situation to anybody on the world, and that a solution for these problems are needed. So I spent countless hours in researching, for example, and speaking to different sports clubs and celebrities from my network, and as well to sports enthusiasts and entertainment enthusiasts. And I found out that there was a huge demand of my solution, which I had in my mind, and people were really excited about the potential of what I had created there. And yeah, finally, after many sleepless nights and months, to be honest, I finalized my white paper and yeah, started to make the idea public. So I continued on working on the product and set up a company which is called Starzz. And after I started the first marketing campaigns, I was really overwhelmed about the feedback I got and how fast the community was growing. And yeah, soon I was also getting the first calls from potential customers and investors, and all wanted to learn much more about what we had created and invest some money into this promising project. And in order to take the product to the next level, we started the strategic partnership with Trade Pro Labs. And what makes me so passionate about my project is firstly my passion in the world of sports and entertainment. I have worked in these areas in the past with my own company, and I have excellent connections in these markets. And on the other hand, I love the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. And combining these two passions with this project, it's a great pleasure for me. Furthermore, I have high management experience through my further roles in my jobs I had, and as well, I'm author of the at Amazon available book Blockchain Millionaire. I have a high knowledge in blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, and on top of that, I have a proven track record and extensive experience in entrepreneurship, business development, sales, and financial management. We have a strong team in place, and we are more confident that we can execute on our business plan and generate significant revenue very soon as we have a scalable business. With Christelle Galano at our head of marketing, we have one of the most successful women in the field with years of experience and the ability to bring new projects to the market by generating high brand awareness. Fabian Bäumler at our technology side is the CTO and has already gained experience in 2 different projects in this role, while his last job at Berlin DAO also gave him the experience in building up DAO structures. Jörg Zeitz, as our CSO, has a huge experience as a head of sales, and he also founded 2 football investment companies and was in a former role vice president of the football club SK Austria Klagenfurt. And last but not least, we have as well Fyodor Davidis as our head of partnerships, and he has already been familiar with this world for years and has his own German-speaking podcast where he educates people on blockchain and crypto topics. And not to forget our excellent advisors, internationally renowned experts who are of great benefit to us when entering the market, provide us with a network, help us fundraising, structuring the company, supporting us in marketing issues, and much, 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 much more. These guys include Ian Scarfy, Daryl Nadeau, Feas Elingen, Mauro Andriotti, Jason Hung, Harald Hormann, and Frank Fitzgerald. What we are doing, our product solves several critical problems in the sports and entertainment industry, and there is a huge market opportunity for us to capture. Starzz wants to unlock the ultimate power of fan engagement because currently there's still a big gap in fan engagement. So between fans on the one hand who do not feel noticed and want more interactions with their favorite clubs or celebrities, and on the other hand, we have clubs and celebrities who are not able to identify the most valuable fans and cannot tap their whole potentials. So Starzz bridges this gap with its unique ecosystem, the supporters.com platform. It's like a one-stop shop for solving these fan engagement problems. On this supporters.com platform, clubs and celebrities not only get the opportunity to get access to new funding streams by issuing so-called fan tokens, but also the opportunity to offer numerous services on top of that, such as polls with direct participation through fan votings, rewards and incentives, a marketplace to sell merchandise, publish social media content, share streaming sessions, and hold NFT auctions, as well as to sell blockchain-proofed NFT tickets. As well to launch target marketing campaigns and immerse their fans from all corners around the world through the metaverse. These fan tokens allows fans to participate in polls as a token holder, such as votings for their fans' favorite club's jersey for the next season. The club thereby reduces for sure the investment risk and ensures as well the greatest sales opportunities. The blockchain-proofed NFT tickets gives us the opportunity to control the secondary market with fake tickets and overpriced tickets, and to have these tickets with you all the time as a souvenir, for example, in form of an NFT in your wallet. And our streaming portal opens the opportunity to be with your team behind the scenes. So, for example, after a training session in the cabin, that you get a feeling about how the mood is in the team. And in addition to those fans who invest a lot of time in the club, they can be identified, and we can give something back, like in form of a worn jersey, a meet and greet with your stars, VIP tickets, or whatever. And also, fans don't have to follow the news on all platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, because you need them all on our platform so that fans don't miss out anything. And last but not least, we are sure that our so-called DAC, Decentralized Autonomous Club, entirely run by fans, will change the market in a new way. Here, the fans will have a say in every decision in the club, starting from player transfers up to strategic alignments. Yeah, and for sure, before setting up this project, I and some of the team members spent months in researching and analyzing the market. So a detailed analysis was made to research and identify the market opportunities and the potential for growth, which shows us that the market has not even reached 1% of the whole potential which is over there. And last but not least, we did a deep detail competitor analysis where the strengths and the weaknesses to identify the key players in the market so that we were able to develop a strategy to set us apart from them. But yeah, to be honest, currently for us, there is no real competitor in the market offering all these mentioned services on one platform. So that makes us unique. And as well, nobody is focusing on sports clubs and individuals or the entertainment market as well. So we have definitely a huge advantage regarding our competitors to set us apart from them. And yeah, last but not least, our DAC concept is something which nobody else has currently. So we are sure that we also have the opportunity then for a clear strategy regarding customer acquisition and growth. And to maintain this position, we already have other lines, other ideas in line, and we will publish them for sure in the near future. The revenue of the total global sports and entertainment market is 2.5 trillion US dollars, while only the global sports market is by 500 billion US dollars. And the global fan token market, which is still in its infant stages, made last year 350 million. And we will gain our profit through different revenue streams, like the launches of the fan tokens, where the market capitalization, which will be reached, will be split between the club celebrities and us. Additionally, the trading fee as well with 0.19%, where this amount will be split as well between us and the celebrities. And on top of that, we have wallet-to-wallet transfer fees, membership subscriptions from $1 up to $30 per year, advertising revenues, merchandising commission of 5.9%, NFT minting fees of 1.9%, and for sure the ticketing commission for NFT tickets with 3.9%, which will be done on our platform. And yeah, we will get these customers from our own community by expanding our members through different marketing activities and through the reach out and announcement of our clubs and celebrities. Yeah, last but not least, I only have to say, join us on this excited journey and help us to change the sports and entertainment industry landscape forever. With you and us, fans are never left out because we know that a club or a champion is nothing without its fans. Thank you for your time and your consideration.
Wow, Marco, thank you so much for that. That's an amazing, amazing project you guys are working on. I'd like to obviously thank you for that, and I would like to maybe also ask a question. So can you tell me a little bit about currently on your project? How far are you guys on the development stage of the project? And where are you guys right now in that space?
Sure. Yeah, the idea was to start the launch of the ecosystem on 1st of October with some basic functions, and then to implement the other functions time by time so that the whole ecosystem will be ready in summer next year. But as we are working with some partners already and make a lot of progress, we are sure we will keep the date with the 1st of October, but we are expecting to launch much more services already than we have announced in our white paper regarding the roadmap. And for sure, I think the whole ecosystem will be a few months ready before the estimated date.
How can people get in touch with you or use your platform, or where can they find your platform?
Yeah, the best way is to get in touch with us through our website, www.starzz.eu. And there you can register for the newsletter. So you get all the information about the timeline when the platform will be open, and you can get in touch with us by email through the website as well.
Thank you so much for all of your time today. We'd like to thank Marco for all of the amazing things that they're doing with Starzz. Generally believe that the community and Starzz fan bases are the future of clubs. So definitely an amazing opportunity where you as fans add value to clubs that you support. This is very, very interesting project. Really, really like what you guys are doing. So once again, like, share, subscribe, follow us, share this link. And if you want to get in touch with Marco and Starzz, send us a DM. We'll always obviously put the links in the bio, and we do obviously connect you with them also. Marco, really appreciate your time today. Thank you so much for this interview. Take care.
Thanks a lot for the opportunity.